Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, today we are going to make the magic happen. That is, make a ripple effect in Scratch and in very simple and few steps. So, first of all, I have chosen a wand for doing the magic here. So, you can choose your own sprite to do the ripple effect. And another one is the backdrop. I have chosen the ocean background so that our ripple effect gets more satisfying, I hope. And let's try to make our ripple effect. So first of all, we are going to make this magic wand follow our mouse pointer in very easy steps. So let's start. So to make our magic wand or the sprite follow the mouse pointer, we just drag the when green flag click block, and after that go to the control block and then drag a forever loop below the when green flag click blocked. And after that, let's go to the motion block as well, and just drag a go to random position block, and instead of random position select the mouse pointer, and that's it. And in these simple steps, our magic wand will be following our mouse pointer like this. So the first step is clear. Now next thing is to make the cool part, that is the ripple effect. So for that we are going to go to the costumes and we are going to make our own ripple effect. So I have already drawn my ripple effect here. So if you want to draw the ripple effect, it's very easy. So you just use the circular shape here and just draw the transparent circle with some border color, black and white border color, and with different sizes, with the enlarged sizes like this. And this is one of our ripple, so I'm going to use this. I hope you can draw the circles yourself and you can name your costume ripple or something like that. So for now I've already drawn my ripple effect, so hope you will draw your ripple effect as well. So that's it. And now if we have drawn our ripple like this, now we are good to go. So to make the cool part happen, so we are going to go to the events menu as well, and we are going to make the ripple when we click the sprite. So when we click the sprite, we are going to make the ripple effect. So when the sprite is clicked, then we go to the control statement and go down here, and there is something called create clone of myself. So we are going to create a clone of itself, and after that we have created a clone. So we drag another block called when I start as a clone. So when I start as a clone, that means when this wand starts as a clone, what should we do is we go to the looks menu and just search for the switch costume, and we are going to so we are going to switch the costume to the ripple. And then after that what we are going to do is we are going to repeat something. After that we are going to make the ripple very small. So first of all, once the ripple is very small and it grows out bigger and bigger, so we are in the looks menu and we drag another thing called the set size to 100%, and instead of setting the size to 100%, we are going to set it to 20%, just a 20%, so our ripple starts very small. And after that we are going to go to the controls block as well, and we are going to drag a repeat 10 times block, and instead of repeating 10 times we are going to make it 500 times. So we are going to repeat something 500 times, and what we are going to do is we are going to make the ripple bigger by dragging the change size by 10, and instead of 10 we are going to change the size by just 5 every time. And next one is we are going to change the color effect as well. Drag the color effect, change color effect, and below the change size by 5, and instead of change this color we are going to change the ghost effect by just 1. And the last step is that we are going to Once we are done with changing the size and it has repeated the 500 times, we need to delete our clone as well. So go to the control block and drag and delete this clone, and it will delete itself after it has repeated for 500 times. Yeah. And the last code is that when we click the green flag, we need to switch the costume to the magic wand. So at the first step, we just go to the looks menu and drag a switch costume, and when the green flag is clicked below there, just drag the switch costume to wand. So that's it. I think we are good to go, and let's test our ripple effect. So when we click the green flag, let me see. Okay, looks like our ripple effect has been done. So this is our ripple effect, and feel free to tweak the size, speed, effect just how you want it. The possibilities are endless, and there you have it. In just few steps, you have created a dynamic ripple effect that follows the mouse. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you have enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like it, comment, and as well as subscribe for more such kind of Scratch projects.